Hello y'all, Chef Jeff is back with another video here. Hey, today I'm doing something a lot different than I normally do, kind of outside the line. It's not really old school, but it's just so good. Hey, today I'm doing some, I'm gonna call it old school lasagna, which it ain't. I'm just doing some meaty, beefy, cheesy lasagna. There's thousands of ways to make lasagna. If you go online, you can see people do it all kinds of ways. I'm gonna show you the way I do it, and the way my friends and co-workers and everybody that's tried it absolutely love it. And it's it's very simple the way I do it. So I'm gonna go and start here. Before I get started, I want everybody please subscribe to my channel here. Please comment, please share, please like the videos. That really means a lot. It makes my channel even grow even more. And please share it with others so other people can get on board. So anyway, let's get started. I got some onions here. I'm going to saute off here. Just regular white onions. Just going a little here. Then I'm going to put meat. I use mostly venison in mine. I use an 80-20 blend of ground meat and then straight venison ground, because I don't like a lot of fat in my lasagna meat. So when I cut it, it actually sits like a lasagna is supposed to sit. You've seen people lasagna, you scoop it out or cut it out of the pan, it's all falling apart and all coming apart. That's because it got too much moisture in it and too much oil in the meat. So I don't like that. I like a perfect lasagna. When it goes on the plate, it sits there perfectly. Okay, I'm going to brown the meat off. As you see, I use a lot of meat in my lasagna. I got a couple of pounds here. I'm going to brown off. While it's browning off, I'm going to open my cans here. I'm going to use, only thing I'm going to put in there is crushed tomatoes and tomato paste to this after it brown off. And salt and pepper. That's all I make to make. Just like when I make my spaghetti sauce, only thing I'm omitting is the ground tomatoes. Everything else is the same thing. So, like I say, this recipe is pretty simple, as most of my recipes are. Tomato paste here. Just gonna make it thicken a little. I don't know when anybody doesn't like lasagna. Such a full meal there for you to eat. Okay. Brown this off. Now I'm gonna step away here on the camera, and we're gonna brown this off. Once it comes to a brown, this meat, it's gonna take about 10 or 15 minutes to really brown this off. And once it's brown off, I'll be back and we'll add the other ingredient. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add my crushed tomatoes to this. Stir that up. Remember, all I had in there was ground beef and tomato paste. Okay. Now ground beef and onions. I'm sorry, ground beef and chopped onions. Okay. Now I'm gonna add the tomato paste to this. Just gonna thicken this meat. That's what tomato paste does. It's like a natural thickener. Gives it it's gonna thicken this here sauce up. Kind of bitter. That's why I always add a little sugar to balance the bitterness of the tomato paste. So let's stir that up in here. Alrighty. See how it's kind of getting thick. Just trying to just get it all incorporated in there. And it's another thing I don't do. Some people, you can add oregano to this, you can add basil, you can add all, I don't add no herbs to my lasagna. You can do that if you like. I don't do that. I keep it very simple. Like in the culinary world, in the kitchen, we call it KISS. K-I-S-S. It stands for keep it simple, stupid. That's the culinary term we use in the kitchens. Keep it simple as possible, stupid. KISS. All right. Now we're gonna add a little sugar to this to kind of counterbalance that bitterness of the tomato paste. Okay. And I'm gonna add a little salt and pepper. You know, I use salt and white pepper when I cook. Salt and white pepper to this. And I'm gonna taste it, make sure it's seasoned good. And we'll have the meat sauce done and we'll build this lasagna. Let me taste it. Let me taste it here and see what we got here. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Perfect sauce. See that? See how thick that is? It's not loose. That's what the tomato paste does for your meat sauce. I know you taste lasagnas that is so watery and all that. This one's not gonna be, because tomato paste soaked up all the little liquid I had in there, and you got nothing but a nice meaty sauce right here. That's all you got right there. Okay, now we're gonna let this sit here. Now we're gonna start building our lasagna. Move this out the way. Okay, I got my lasagna pan right here. And what I want to do first, I'll get my ladle here for the sauce. Okay, this over here out the way. First thing I do, I put some meat sauce to the bottom. I start with meat sauce. I'm gonna move this camera over, maybe y'all can see it better. That around there. Let me get my spatula here. I just put not a lot of meat sauce, just enough on the bottom so we can hold that pasta. I mean, hold that pasta when I put it on here. This is the fun part. I love building the lasagna. This is the fun part to me. Okay. Now, I'm going to move the camera over just a little. Y'all can see what I'm doing. Okay, now, this is another great invention they come up with. You remember you have to bake your noodles, cook your noodles, par bake your noodles, and then all that? That's why I'm saying I make it simple as possible. These are already oven ready. You just put them in the pan. You don't put them in water, nothing like that. And they cook in the oven inside with the lasagna. This is an awesome, and you can buy some that's you can buy lasagna sheets that's frozen too and more pliable. But these here are awesome products right here. I'm gonna open these up here. You can get the one that has a little ridgy edges on it, but these are straight ones. This is nice straight lasagna. Okay, what I'm gonna do here, just put them in the pan just like this. Put 4 in the pie bottom. Now I'm gonna put another meat sauce on here. I'm gonna say, he put nothing but meat sauce. I'm doing this for a reason. Just a little. Spread across like that. Like I say, you can build yours how you want it, but I'm showing y'all my way, how I do it. How I do mine. Okay. A bit more meat sauce. And like I said, you can use turkey, ground turkey if you don't like beef. However you want to do it. Okay, now, next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put cottage cheese. A lot of people use ricotta. I don't like ricotta cheese. I don't like how it melts, and I don't like the taste of it. And I don't think it spreads easy when you're making lasagna. So I use cottage cheese. I think it has a better melting point, and it spreads better when you're putting it in the lasagna. So I put cottage cheese. Kind of spread this around a little. Let's say this is like building a empire here. Lasagna Empire. Nice and even. Okay, next thing I do, I'll use only 2 kinds of cheeses. Mozzarella, put the mozzarella cheese all in it, make sure it's even. I just use mozzarella and cottage cheese, that's it. You can use cheddar cheese you want to. You can use jack cheese, Monterey jack cheese you want to. I like mozzarella because I like how it looks when it comes out of the, you know, the stringiness when it comes out of the oven. Awesome. Okay, that's one layer. Okay, here we go with another one. Here. 4 right there. More meat sauce. Now y'all get the idea. Now I'm gonna go away here and I'm gonna build this thing up, and I'll be back in a second when I get it all built up. Let me do another one here. I guess we can do it all together. I don't have to go off camera. I just hate where it looks like it's boring. Me sitting here building the lasagna can be kind of boring to some. Y'all probably fast forward through the video anyway. I do that too sometimes. I fast forward and get to the end result. But anyway, got that there. Next is cottage cheese. Yeah, this is going to be awesome homemade lasagna, dog. You know who really makes a good lasagna? If you want to buy frozen one, the Stouffer's. Stouffer's is awesome lasagna. Sometimes when I'm really lazy, I go get some Stouffer lasagna, cook it up. Nothing better. Okay. Cheese here. We're gonna save a little cheese for the top. Okay. Last layer here. Last layer right here. What the hell? I'll put that right there. Okay. And we're going to really meat it up right here. The rest of our meat on here on the top one. This is going to be my last layer after I add the cheese to it. So I'm going to really stack the meat sauce up on this one. You see, that's why I use 2 pounds of meat. I like a lot of meat on my lasagna. See that? See how good that looks? The key here, just make sure it's even. And she got even distribution of meat and sauce. You don't want to get lasagna. Some people get meat, and some people getting all cheese, so you don't want that to happen. Okay. Cover that up there. Now, the rest of the cottage cheese here. Cottage cheese is gonna melt all evenly, so don't worry about it if it's not gonna spread. Or believe me, this stuff is definitely gonna spread once that heat hit it. That's it. Rid of that. Just as much as possible around. Let that down. And we coming back with the rest of the mozzarella here. And that's it. Y'all, move that around a little, and we're gonna put it in the oven, and we're gonna have an awesome lasagna when we come back. Let me even it up. Even it up as much as possible. Believe me, this cheese gonna melt so evenly. That's why I'm not even worrying about it where it's covering completely. So, okay, now I'm gonna put this in the oven, 350 degrees. In fact, I'm gonna cover it for the first 30 minutes. It's very important. First 30 minutes, I'm gonna cover this. After 30 minutes, I'm gonna uncover it and let it cook another 15-20 minutes. So I'll be right back in about 30-45 minutes. We'll take the cover off, let it completely finish cooking. We're gonna have some good old school lasagna. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we back here. Okay, we're gonna take it out of the oven here, and we're gonna uncover it, and then I'm gonna do another process here that I forgot I told y'all gonna do. So we're gonna take it, then in about 30-45 minutes. Okay, Now I'm going to put Parmesan cheese on it, and I'm going to put it in there uncovered. This Parmesan cheese is going to serve two purposes. It's going to give it that nice final look on top. Then it's going to, like a sponge, it's going to suck up all that extra liquid that comes in out of the cheese and the sauce. So put that on there. Okay, now we're going to put it back in the oven another 15-20 minutes, cook it uncovered. And we're going to have some nice old school lasagna. So we'll be right back here. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. Okay, we're going to take it out the oven here. See what we got here. Oh, yeah, got that nice golden brown on there. There we go. That's what we want. That's what you want in your lasagna. Look at that. Okay, of course, I'm going to let this sit about 15-20 minutes. Because you know what's going to happen if I try to scoop it right now. It's too hot to scoop right now. I couldn't even try to attempt to eat it right now. So I'm going to let this sit here for about 15-20 minutes. We're going to come back. I'm going to cut it and show you the end final result. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. Okay, we're going to cut this up here and give it a taste and see what we come up with here. I like to get out the corner piece. And another thing I didn't tell y'all need to make sure you spray your pan when you do this, so you can come out with something like this. That's what you want. That's what you want right there. See that? Nice brown color on the golden brown color there. Look, I'm gonna be right back and we're gonna taste it. Let me be right back here. Okay, y'all, we back. Okay. Let me taste this here. Oh yeah. I know this is gonna be good. I made this so many times. Oh wow. Very good. Nice and cheesy. I like a lot of meat in mine. More meat than cheese. Called a meaty lasagna. This stuff is good. I'm gonna eat one more piece and then we're gonna sign off. But this stuff is still hot. See how easy that is? Make lasagna. Nothing to it. And see how the pan, that's the key. You want your lasagna to stay in place. You see lasagna and picked up just spread all over the plate. Because it's not made, it's too greasy. And see the pan here? There's no grease. Ooh, this is warm. Hold on. There's no grease in here. Not a greasy lasagna. That's why I use very little oil in my meat. I use a lot of venison and an 80-20 blend on my meat. And that's it. You got a nice, I can't say it's healthy, but it's not greasy. Anyway, that's it for this video. Please comment, like I said in the beginning, please share. Please visit my other social media accounts, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food Day.